Hello everybody, good morning. This is Raj Mirza. Welcome to my channel Mirza Academy. First of all, let me introduce myself to you. I am Raj Mirza from Burdwan, West Bengal, India. I have been teaching since last 10 years when I was a second year student. From that to since then to now, I have been teaching many students, and I have find five major issues that is the reason why our Bengali medium students don't get good marks, especially in this language, in this subject, English. I should say language because our government they provided us a syllabus, and the syllabus is language. English is not a language. English is a language, not a subject. First of all, we have to understand this. As like Bengali, Hindi, or any other language which we spoken here in our country, alike akin to this is a language. So now I will discuss the five major issues why don't our student get good marks in English. First of all, they're they're very afraid of the subject, and I should say lack of creativity. We all know that creativity is an important part of educational system everywhere. First thing, you have to be creative. You have to be a person of creative mind. If you don't have a creative mind, you will face these problems. So try to create things by yourself, not only by a guidebook and by your teacher. The creativity is most important part of your educational life. Suppose if you go to a teacher and they will give you, he or she will give you a note, and they will tell you, please read this, remember this, and write this if the question is common in exam hall. If the question is not common, what will you do? Most of the students leave the question, they don't attend the questions, and they don't get good marks. So please don't do this. Try to make a note by yourself on your own. If you are able to create a note on your own, it's mean you are a genius, you are successful, because by reading and writing, if you don't understand a thing, you cannot even write and read appropriately. Second thing is afraid. Our students are very much afraid of speaking, writing, reading, especially this subject, English. Why? Because of the guidance, because of the surroundings. There are lack of people who speak to them in this language, and if you told them to write a single sentence, they will hesitate. Do you know why? Because they think that if I'm going to write a sentence, if it is grammatically mistake or wrong, then people will laugh at me. This fear, this fear killing the confidence of our students. Third is notes and the guidebooks. What we have seen nowadays, education system is spoiled, completely spoiled. We can see most of the teacher, what do? They just give some notes to the students and told them that go and read them, and if the question is common, then attend the question. But they don't make them confident. Don't encourage them that if my note is not common, then try then try to make your own note. And how will they make their notes if the note is not common? This is a long process to learn. You have to attend minimum 1 year or 2 years a course or a class to just write a sentence appropriately. 5. The out of this 5, four problem is what I have observed. Whenever they write something, they think that their sentence is not correct, and they will not get good marks. So these are the difficulties which our students face, and I think in my next video I will discuss more how will they improve themselves. You have to improve themselves because we don't know when the exam will our government take.